yapacaklardır. Kürsüyü teşriflerini arz ederim.
Today, there is a beacon on the Black Sea, a beacon of hope, a beacon of possibility, a beacon of relief in a world that needs it more than ever. You have overcome obstacles and put aside differences to pave the way for an initiative that will serve the common interests of all. Promoting the welfare of humanity has been the driving force of these talks. The question has not been what is good for one side or the other. The focus has been on what matters most for the people of our world. And let there be no doubt, this is an agreement for the world. It will bring relief for developing countries on the edge of bankruptcy and the most vulnerable people on the edge of famine. And it will help stabilize global food prices, which were already at record levels even before the war, a true nightmare for developing countries. Odessa, Chebonovsk, and Yuzhny. I urge all sides to spare no efforts to implement their commitments. We must also spare no effort for peace. This is an unprecedented agreement between two parties engaged in bloody conflict. But that conflict continues, and people are dying every day, and fighting is raging every day. The beacon of hope on the Black Sea is shining bright today, thanks to the collective efforts of so many. In these trying and turbulent times for the region and our globe, let that beacon guide the way towards easing human suffering and securing peace.
We're together again after the meeting.
Tüm dünyayı uzun süredir meşgul eden küresel gıda krizinin çözümünde büyük rol oynayacak bir girişime vesile olmanın haklı gururunu yaşıyoruz. Bugün üzerinde mutabakata varılan metinle Afrika'dan Orta Doğu'ya, Amerika'dan Asya'ya, tüm dünyada milyarlarca insanı bekleyen açlık tehlikesinin önünün alınmasına hep birlikte katkı sağlayacağız.
In many aspects. Secretary-General António Guterres.